Okay.
Oh yeah. This picture's so much better than mine. Let's give it a little. Wee.
Ooh. I like it.
Very good.
Bit longer, let it go, let it go. Let it build.
See, the thing is,
Let the pressure build. It should be coming up from here.
cut off from here.
It's starting.
Bend down here. Into here. Who's at the party? First engine. You're gonna have to come down so we can see you, but yeah, like no, we can just see your eyes.
You can only see Bert's teeth.
Wee, there he is. On us, because we can see us.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
No, we're gonna have to do
Don't
it.
do it.
We're gonna have to do it.
For the camera.
Oh, shit, there's some pressure in there.
It's all going, all the water's taking it all. Too many leaks.
Yeah,
There's a bit of welding. It's soldering.
my little brother's a welder. Needs some tightening up on that piston.
This is boyfriend's a welder too. That's weird.
Oh, we're good to go! Look at that! Oh, how cool is that? Oh, that is fucking solid. Get a generator. Let's power some shit, man. Power your computer. Can you imagine when you first discovered that? The first person who invented that? You must just be...
You must have had to tune that someday. You must have
just
refined
been,
it.
wow, man.
Look at that. You're running Mechano off of that.
First person who invented that shit.
Oh, I'm well pleased it still works.
Look at it go! Got some force as well, man.
Jack, is that doing your car?
Cheers.
There was no one else in the car to get that one
Get the light
either.
on. Press start.
Hey, look at that!
It's so funky.
Go slow down. Oh, these is narrow shots. That is unbelievably cool.
So simple.
The manufacturing on that beach that we can do today.
I want one. Can you buy these? Can you still buy these?
I want to have it valued.
Cheers! We have invented motion. We can now invent cars and wheels. We just got to figure out how to run shit.
Next step, electricity. 2 magnets and a copper coil.
Did you have anything running off this? Because there's pulleys there.
I haven't, but the guy's Mechano or something like that. We could run anything off those pulleys, though. That's the next step. Let's take this thing and run off those pulleys.
Yeah. Got steam happening.
Oh, yeah.
Electric.
There's one for the internet now, but there's no videos like this on the internet.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Oh, it's dying.
Because you took the heat out, you dog. No, thank you.
Come on. Don't die.
I think that's the coolest thing I've seen in a year.
It's amazing, isn't it? So basic.
Here's to you, Grandad.
That's weird, isn't it? Some technologies in 2006 filming with such technologies in 1906.
Oh yeah.
Water's run out. Oh no, the light has gone out.
Hey, yeah, zip it, guys.
Sounds like the paraffin's gone out.
Yeah. That's cool though.